Now let's see how to search for a custom GP code. Custom GP codes make location sharing even easier. Instead of a number, a code can be a business name, a property name, or even a phone number, making it memorable and simple. Let's say you have just booked a stay at B&Bs, a beautiful boutique bed and breakfast in the historic village of Hasabush, here in Malta. The owners have set up their own custom GP code, B&Bs, and shared it in their booking.com listing. Simply copy the code, then head to www.GoPeeko.com. On the homepage, paste the code into the GP code search box and click Find Location. Within seconds, GoPeeko shows you the exact property on the map. Then, by clicking Take Me There Now, GoPeeko opens the location directly in Maps so you can begin your journey right away. No more screenshots, no more pasted addresses, no more trying to work out which alley to turn into. Just one memorable code and you are there. Whether it is a holiday rental, a business, a restaurant, an event venue, or any hard-to-find place, a custom GP code makes it instantly recognizable and easy to reach. GoPeeko is designed to make location sharing smarter, simpler, and more reliable for everyone. Visit www.gopeeko.com and start using GoPeeko today. GoPeeko, the simple way to create, search, and share exact locations.